Stress is an internal resistance offered by a body when applying external force or load. Stress equals force per unit area. P by A. Units. N per square meter. Or megapascal or kilpound per square inches. Kinds of stress. 1. Normal stress. In normal stress we have two types. They are A. Tensile stress. B. Compressive stress. 2. Shear stress. 3. Bending stress. 4. Thrust or torsional stress. 5. Bearing stress. 1. Normal stress. When the stresses act in a direction perpendicular to the cut surface, it is known as normal stress. Normal stress are two types. A. Tensile stress. B. Compressive stress. A. Tensile stress. When the body stretched by the forces shown in Fig. The resulting stress are tensile stress. B. Compressive stress. If the force caused compression in the body, we obtain compression stress in the body. Shear stress. Shear stress is parallel or tangential to the surface. Shear stress occurs between two parts of the body when the two parts are exert same and opposite forces each other tangential to the surface of contact. Strain. Strain is defined as change in length by original length, or generally strain is measured as deformation caused by external load. Strain. Epsilon equals change in length by original length.